So I did it again. I procrastinated last minute. I know, but I need to get this to the kiln today to get fired. And it's not even trimmed yet because we have a pit fire this weekend on Saturday, and the deadline to get it to the kiln was on Monday today. So here we are, need to trim this stuff. I have a bowl, shaped bowl, but it's actually what I'm thinking, a lamp. So it would actually sit like this, and a large bulb would be on the other side. Let me show you what I'm thinking about for the electrical outlet. Okay, years ago I bought this light pendant thing, and the idea was that I would create my own ceramics shade to it. I never did that, but I still have it, still want to do it. I need to make a hole around this size, but also recognizing the hole will shrink, the whole piece will shrink up to 14%. But the hole needs to be bigger than this size, and if it's too big, I can just like close it off with a washer. But that's the goal. I want to make light fixtures. They're gonna have a nice, beautiful finish from the pit fire. Because most things from pit fires can't be used as food or functional wear. I was thinking, what can I do with these objects without just having them sit on my counter as art displays? So let me trim that and get started.
Bang,
All the pieces to make a light fixture came in the mail. So now I can take my pit fired piece that I left a hole at the bottom and actually make a light fixture out of it. So I just bought a piece that, I don't even know what this is called, but it's like a mini stand that you can kind of find anywhere. And then I also bought some big light bulbs. This was an old one, and I was kind of testing out the size of the bulbs, but let me plug it in first. Right, can you see this? This is the stand, and my idea was that I just wanted to place, like I didn't quite know what the hole would be, but I would find something where I can just place this on top and then the light bulb goes inside. Now I did test this earlier and my vision didn't quite come true. I think the piece needed to be bigger than this, but I wanted a big bulb inside of this piece. So it kind of looks funky now. I think that I don't like the idea of a big bulb. And maybe I should have made my piece twice the size, but that's okay. I'm gonna use a normal size bulb and see what it looks like. Now, I'm gonna plug it in. Ooh, okay. So that's what I was just thinking. It's just like, it's mainly the focal point is the pit fired piece. You can barely see the stand underneath, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so there's the bulb. And there is a slight crack on one side of this piece, but I'm trying to decide, do I fix it? It's just for me, so if no one else picks it up, I know that crack is there. Or do I just face it in the way of the wall? Now I did have this older type of light fixture, and that one had this bulb attached to it. Now let me try it with the other pieces. Okay, I think I figured this one out. So now, I'm gonna place, this is what I wanted to do. I don't know if it even looks cute. That looks weird. That looks weird. Stopping. Oh. Okay. So I think this one just looks better with the bulb. And I'm gonna place a new bulb on this one. Oh. So I'll have to figure out something else for this one. But in the meantime, here's the new bulb. Noise, 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 noise. I almost forgot about this hanging light fixture, which was my original intent on have it hang down like a pendant light fixture. Because it has a crack in it, I'm a bit worried to hang this regardless of fixing it with epoxy or something. So that's one of the reasons why I've been thinking about how can I do this with it being a table lamp fixture. And then I'm like, what about this hanging? And I just feel like it's a little bit too small. So I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this one. And maybe I'll make a different piece to hang from the light fixture. So stay tuned for what I can do, or if you have any suggestions on what I can make for the hanging light fixture. Maybe it looks like this, but it's bigger and it's something I can just like make from the electric kiln really quickly. That's maybe the direction I want to go to, because I just want to make sure I'm safe, that the piece doesn't just like fall to the ground from the crack expanding. And yeah, I just have something very beautiful to enhance the space.